This video will review the steps for loading the dishwasher. So we have all of the dishes in the sink right now, and I need to load the dishwasher. The first step is to make sure all of the dishes have the food off of them, and any stuck on pieces you'll just want to scrub off before you put it in. I have a bowl here, and I'm just going to rinse it with some water and scrub it with a brush to make sure all the food pieces are off. I also might add soap if I need to, if something's kind of stuck and not coming off easily. So I'm going to turn the water on and scrub. Make sure the food pieces are off. And then we can start loading in the dishwasher. So when you load the dishwasher, it's easiest to put things in certain places. So you want to put your silverware in the bottom container here. And then on the bottom rack there will be plates, glass bowls, any pots or pans, and your cutting board. And then on the top you'll do glasses, like drinking cups, mugs, or any plastic items. The top doesn't get as hot, so it's good to put the plastic items on this rack so that they don't get hot and get ruined, because they can melt. Alright, so we're going to do the silverware first. When you load the dishwasher, you want to put knives down so that you don't accidentally cut yourself. Other items like your forks and spoons can go facing up, and that way the place where the food was will get super clean, because that's going to get washed with the water and soap. Grab a spoon, put those up, forks go up, knives I'm putting down. And that's how you load the silverware. Next I'm going to do a pot. So usually I put the pots kind of in the back area, because that's where the most space is. I'm going to do the same for the cutting board. Usually big pans or cutting boards will go best on the back or on the sides. That's where they fit best. Next I'm going to do plates. It's good to face those in. And you just want to make sure that the plates aren't touching, because you want the extra space so that the soap and water can clean them really nicely. I'm going to put this metal bowl in the back here. I think I can fit one more bowl right here. So I'm shut the bottom. And I'll do the top next. So like I said, mugs and glasses will go in the top. And your dishwasher may look a little different than mine. Mine has these sections and the glasses fit nicely on the sides here so that they don't fall. And then remember, any plastic bowls will go on the top. So this bowl's plastic. It's going to go on the top. I also have some plastic measuring cups I'm going to put on the top here as well. And a wooden spoon. I'm going to put my spatulas up here as well. Oh. And then this is an apple cutter. I'm just going to put that in the back here. You don't want to overload your dishwasher. I have a plastic strainer that needs to go in the top, but it's not going to fit, so I'm going to save that for the next load. If you overload it, the dishes won't get cleaned very well. So the next step is to put your soap in, and I have the little pod, and I'm going to put that in, close this, and shut the dishwasher and turn it on. I'm just going to do a normal wash and hit that button and then hit start. And that's it for washing the dishes.